in this question you have seen one of the properties of indices where division is going on between the two expressions sharing the same base, right? So taking m is equal to n, you have to show that a to the power 0 is equal to 1. So first of all, I am taking a term that is a to the power m, where a is called its base and m is called its index. I am taking this because the basics need to be understood, right? So index, where you see in the question indices, and indices is the plural form of index. ठीक है, indices जो है index का plural form होते हैं, and the synonyms of index are power and exponent. ठीक है, power और exponent जो है index का होते हैं synonyms, ये आपको दिखाई देंगे कभी कभार. Actually, I made a post on properties of indices yesterday. Hope all of you might have gone through it, and whoever is left, I must suggest you, please go through it. It will help you to understand it better. So the important point is, when dividing two expressions, okay, when dividing two expressions sharing the same base, right? A, look at here, it is base and sharing the same base, and look at the question now. So a to the power m divided by a to the power n, where a and a, you see the common base a and a, okay? So whenever you find such cases, just you have to keep the base, right? So I'm going to show you. Look at here. Let's take 5 to the power 6, and the other one is 5 to the power 3, which is already taken. So if you find such cases, that means क्या है कि अगर आपको दिखाई देता है सेम बेस, ठीक है, क्या हो रहा है, डिवाइड हो रहा है, तो आपको क्या करना है? So the exponents, right? Index, that is index, exponents. So the exponent, just you have to keep the base, and the exponent of the denominator should be subtracted from the exponent of the numerator, right? So you have to subtract the exponent of the denominator from the exponent of numerator. That's all, right? Now look at here. So 5 to the power 6 divided by 5 to the power 5 cube, it can be written as I have shown here, okay? So 5 to the power 6 is in numerator and 5 to the power 3 is in denominator. So what the point says, the exponent of the numerator should be subtracted from the exponent of the denominator. That's all, right? Look at here again. Let's have the same base, and look, the denominator, the exponent of denominator is subtracted from the exponent of numerator, right? So you are finally getting 5 cube, all right, 5 cube. So let's go to your actual answer. So your question is a to the power m divided by a to the power n is equal a to the power m minus n. यहाँ क्या करेंगे, सॉल्यूशन में जो गिवन है वो दे देंगे. यहाँ पे क्या दिया गया ऑलरेडी, देखो जो क्वेश्चन में वही डालेंगे. देखो a to the power m डिवाइडेड बाय a to the power n, ठीक है, इज इक्वल टू a to the power m माइनस n, ओके. सो सिमिलरली आप क्या लिख सकते हो, देखो, left hand side is equal right hand side. That means you can write right hand side is equal left hand side. Same thing, right? ठीक है, एक ही बात है ना. देखो कभी कभार हम क्या लिखते हैं, a into b and b into a is the same thing, okay? a into b and b into a is the same thing, ठीक है. जहाँ पे क्या नहीं होते हैं, वैल्यू चेंज नहीं होते. सो यहाँ हम क्या किया, मैंने जो लेफ्ट हैंड साइड को राइट हैंड साइड में लाया, राइट हैंड को लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में लेके गया, ठीक है. सो a to the power m डिवाइडेड बाय a to the power n इज रिटन लाइक दैट, लिख लिया. अभी देखो, अभी क्या करेंगे, a to the power, सो लुक, Look at your question again. So putting the value of m over here, that means m is equal to n. So in the place of m, you have to simply write n. Okay, a to the power n minus n लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में मिल गया आपको. अगेन इधर भी लेना है. इन द प्लेस ऑफ a to the power m, you have to write a to the power n again. So look at here. तो n minus n, you are getting 0 over here. ठीक है, क्या मिलेगा आपको? a to the power n minus n करोगे तो आपको मिलेगा a to the power 0. ओके, ठीक है. a to the power n minus n करोगे क्या मिलेगा बताओ? 0 मिलेगा ना. n minus n you will get 0. a to the power 0, right, is equal. Look at here again. a to the power n, a to the power n. You can cancel it out. So finally you are getting 1. So a to the power 0 is equal to 1 is the final answer. And lastly, if you have any query or doubt, please feel free to comment us.